Let's begin, shall we? The ingredients are going to be on the screen for you so you can take a screenshot, do whatever you need to do. I'm going to start by taking a Greek yogurt and adding the milk to that to thin it out. I got really good thick Greek yogurt on this, so I just like it a bit thinner, that's why I use the milk. If you get regular plain yogurt or Greek style yogurt, you won't need to add the milk. Crack 2 eggs into the Greek yogurt and mix that well. It'll look split at the start, but just keep mixing until it all comes together. Now you've got the wet ingredients ready, we're going to add the dry, so go in with the flour, a pinch of salt, and then the baking powder. Again, mix that together with a fork until it comes together. Once it does, lightly flour your work surface and knead your dough. You don't need to work it for too long, maybe a minute, minute and a half until it just comes together. It's quite a delicate and wet dough, so you don't want to work it for too long because then it'll start sticking everywhere and then you're going to need more flour. Once the perfect dough has been obtained, lightly flour your rolling pin and roll it out to about 1 centimeter, maybe 2 centimeter thickness. We're not using any active yeast or our sourdough starter here, so we don't need to proof it or wait for anything to rise. This is a quick and easy dough. Flour a circular mold so it doesn't stick when you're cutting the dough. Then just apply some pressure and cut out as many donuts as you can get. This should get you around 10 donuts if you're efficient with your scrap dough. So once you've cut out the donuts, just bring it all together, add a little bit more flour on top, knead it for maybe like a minute, minute and a half, and just roll it out and repeat the process until you've got none left. Zero waste, that is the key. While you're working on this, get a nice deep pan, fill it up with about 750 ml of vegetable oil and get that on a medium heat. Once the oil's hot enough, you can start dropping in your donuts. Gently ease them in, don't just drop them in because they'll sink right to the bottom and stick to your pan. The oil's not hot enough for them to splatter everywhere, so don't be scared. After they've had about 2 minutes on one side, give them a flip, and what I like to do is just coat them in oil as well. So take yourself a nice big spoon and just lather that on top as well, making sure that it gets nice and golden brown. You can see how much they've puffed and fluffed up. That's the baking powder kicking in. Now they've hit this beautiful golden brown, take them out of the oil, rest them whilst you work on the rest of your donuts. Now this is where you get creative with it. You can have them with whatever you want. I stuff mine with Nutella, but it's down to you, it's personal preference. So there you have it, the easiest Nutella stuffed donuts that you will ever make. Enjoy the video, thanks for watching. If you can like, subscribe, share it with a friend, I would be grateful.